Understanding prepositions of cause. Due to, because of, and on account of. Hello, language learners. Today, we're delving into the world of cause-related prepositional phrases. Specifically, we'll discuss due to, because of, and on account of. These phrases help us express reasons or causes in English. Understanding how and when to use them will significantly improve your fluency and comprehension. So, let's get started. Prepositions of cause are phrases used to indicate the reason or cause of a certain situation or event. They're vital in helping us express the why of a situation. For instance, let's take the sentence, "The match was cancelled because of the rain." Here, the prepositional phrase, because of, is used to express the reason or cause for the cancellation of the match, which is the rain. Let's begin with due to. This phrase is used to express a reason that is directly linked to a certain situation or event. It's often used in more formal writing. Here's an example. The flight was delayed due to bad weather. Here, due to is expressing that the bad weather was the direct reason for the flight delay. It's crucial to note that due to is generally used after the verb to be, is, are, was, were. Moving on to because of. This phrase is used in both formal and informal contexts and is more common in everyday speech. Because of is used to express a reason or cause but does not always imply a direct link. Here's an example. He arrived late because of the traffic. In this case, because of is providing the reason for the lateness, which is traffic. Lastly, let's tackle on account of. This phrase is similar to because of and can be used interchangeably. However, it's a bit more formal and less common in everyday conversation. For example, the concert was postponed on account of the singer's illness. Here, the singer's illness is the cause for the concert's postponement. Now, you might be wondering how to choose between these phrases when expressing a cause. The main differences lie in their levels of formality and the type of connection they suggest. Remember, due to is more formal and suggests a direct cause-effect relationship. Because of is versatile and can be used in both formal and informal contexts without necessarily implying a direct cause. On account of is more formal and less frequently used but similar to because of in terms of meaning. Well, that wraps up our exploration of cause-related prepositional phrases, due to, because of, and on account of. Now that you understand these phrases, you can express cause and reason more effectively in your English conversations and writing. Remember, the best way to become comfortable with these phrases is to practice, practice, practice. Thanks for joining me today, and keep practicing your English.